And welcome back to According to Dave. I'm Dave, and today we got another little project that we're going to be doing on the 8th gen right here. What I'm going to be doing today is simply just replacing my trim pieces with new ones. I went ahead and bought new ones. Each one was about $65. I bought the left and the right side. And the reason for that is because my trim pieces, the rubber piece is it's clapped out already. This heat that I live in a really hot state, so the heat really just like melted these and destroyed them. See, they're coming apart. You can just peel this off and it just starts coming off. And it allows water to go in. Every time I wash my car, water ends up down here because there's like little down here there's little drainages where water goes in and comes out. At least that's my theory. I'm not too sure if that's true or not. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing these out. This side is worse than the driver's side. Here, let me show you the driver's side. So yeah, this is the driver's side. See, all my trim and the rubber is just gone. It looks terrible. So I'm gonna be changing those out. It's super easy. The way you change them out, I've already opened them up before. Well, taken them off before, not open them up. The way you do that is you pull off this tweeter right here, and then back here there's two nuts you need to take off, and then you can remove the mirror. And then once you remove the mirror, you can go ahead and pop this up. It just comes straight up, and then obviously do reverse order to put it back together. So for anybody that needs to replace their trim pieces and those rubber pieces, this is the part number. I don't know if this is the right side or left side. I'm not sure, but here's both of them together for left and right. I don't know which one is which, but so I'm gonna go ahead and get my my jack so that I can use it as a tripod, because that seemed to work out pretty good last time. Okay, so I'm here on the left side of the car, and if I remember correctly, the way you remove the tweeter is you just simply give it a nice pull. Yeah, you can already see it kind of giving. So let me go ahead and try this. Yeah. Okay, so that was pretty rough. But that's how you do it. You just give it a pull up here. There's a tab right here. You want to make sure that stays there and don't break that. Okay, so now that we're up closer, as you can see, there's three 8mm nuts you need to remove right here. It's this one right here, and this one back here. This one back here is a bit tricky to get to, but these two right here, they should be pretty easy. I'm gonna be using a wrench right here, 8mm, and for these two, they're a bit tricky because they could fall inside the door. Now, the way we're gonna stop that from falling inside the door is you want to stuff a rag in here. Well, first you might want to remove this. Here, let's remove this. This should be easy. It's a clip. So yeah, now that you have the rag in there, just in case the bolts fall, they'll land right here on the rag and you can quickly get it, instead of having it fall inside the door and then you have to open up the whole door to remove the bolt. So let's go ahead and remove these now. Ouch! Now this right here, you just want to pinch it. Pinch these two sides. And then your mirror should come out, just like that. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, on the side of the door right here, you do have this screw that you do want to remove. That's going to release this side of the trim piece right here. So make sure you remove that. So by removing that screw, you can kind of already see it's already loose on this side. It's already wanting to, you can pull it apart. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a piece of tape right here just to protect this, just in case it becomes scratched at any point. And as for this side, I don't believe that there's any more. Oh, I lied. I'm sorry. There is another screw right there. You can see. Here, let me see if I can get it. Right there. You need to remove that screw too. And that should be enough to protect it. So what we're going to do now that we removed this screw on this side right here, and that we removed this screw on this side underneath this rubber piece right here, we can see that the trim piece is already loose. A little bit. Yeah, look, see? And the same on this side. So now all we're going to do is simply lift up and out. So that's basically all I have to do. Is about like 1, 2, 3, I want to say 3 or 4 clips in here that you have to lift up and out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. All right, wish me luck. Make sure let's see I don't jack anything up here. Let me try from this side. Yeah, there you go. See, it's already popping up. And it's easy as that. So here are the new ones. I don't know if I told you guys, but I paid $65 for each one of these. I don't know why it's that much. Honestly, it shouldn't be that much. But it is what it is, I guess. Make sure you get the right side. I don't know if this is the right side, actually. What the heck? No, this isn't the right side. I gotta get the other one. Alright, so now I got the right side. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. So there you go. Now that's it. Now all we gotta do is put in the screws and then reassemble the mirror. Guys, it already looks so much better. Nice and clean. Okay guys, and that's how you install trim pieces on your 8th gen Accord. That's all I had planned for today, and we'll see you in the next one. But if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Maybe you have an 8th gen also you'd like to mod a little bit, and maybe you learn a few things from me. Maybe I can learn a few things from you. And yeah, if you like what you see, make sure to like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, share, comment, and we'll see if we can make it happen.